Hello everyone, my name is Paula Kristmanson and I'm a professor in the Faculty of Education at the University of New Brunswick in Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada, and I'm a member of the research team at the Second Language Research Institute of Canada. I had the great fortune to have been the Canadian representative on the ECML project entitled Language Descriptors for Young Migrant and Minority Learners' Success in Compulsory Education, led by Ellie Moe of the University of Bergen, along with colleagues from Finland, Portugal, and Lithuania. The purposes of the project were: 1. To indicate the minimum standards in terms of CEFR levels which students at the age of 12-13 and 15-16 need in order to experience success in history, civics classes, and mathematics in compulsory education. The second goal was to develop a tool to support teachers and students and make teachers aware of the language challenges students are faced with when learning subject matter in their second language. This second aspect of the project was the one in which I was primarily involved. In fact, three of us, Ellie, Marita, and myself, were able to publish an article in Studies in Language Testing called Learning Subject Matter in a Second Language, a CEFR-based tool to support migrant and immigrant students. The tool, we felt, had 4 objectives. The first one was to raise awareness of language-related aspects of various school subjects. The second one was to determine language objectives for lessons. The third was to use it as formative assessment criteria. And the fourth was to use as self-assessment criteria for students. Now, more specifically, Marie-Josée asked me to speak to my involvement in the project and how it has impacted my work. First, I can say that my participation in the ECML project really complements the work I'm already doing related to the CEFR and the language portfolio. I am currently working on several ongoing research and pedagogical projects with local high school teachers, and this opportunity has provided me with insights that have broadened my knowledge of the possible implications of the CEFR. I'm really grateful for the opportunity to consider carefully and to think about and write about the pedagogical implications of language descriptors for content areas that were created and validated in this ECML project. The insights gained as a result of my involvement in this ECML project will certainly contribute to current work I am doing to support both teachers in the school system working with English as an additional language students and with my student teachers in the education program. I think that realizing that every subject has not only content goals but also linguistic ones is essential for today's teachers. The tool created in the ECML project really helps delineate the language components of mathematics and history civics curricula and helps raise awareness of the importance of attending to language development in our mainstream content classes. I'm really appreciative of the chance to have worked with such knowledgeable partners to develop such a tool and to discuss very important issues, especially given the rapidly changing nature of our classrooms. Thanks very much and have a great meeting.